levels. It is amazing how these magnificent levels keep playing out each and every time. So let's recap and let's see what has happened on S&P this morning. How predictable can it be? This is the most critical level in the market structure. Decision point 1. This is the second long trade we are taking today. It would frankly be quite a stunner if it would become a powerful bullish trend. That's why when I had taken my trade on 5 range, which is the smallest range chart I trade, I spelled out, pretty please watch out for the fill at this level. It would be quite lovely if S&P will blast through this level. My second target is 1689.50. As we witnessed on our prior trade on oil, you saw very clearly what happened when price comes to reversal zone. Expect the selling pressure. Isn't this marvelous? Isn't it beautiful? How predictable can the price be? If you know where these levels are, you know where to monitor for reversals. And you know where to take the profits of the table as long-term short on S&P from 1880 reached first target. Precision and simplicity remains the key. Just know where these levels are. And here it is, reversal zone, second target. Precisely, simply, and pure. Exact same thing happening as happened on our oil trade. And I would be so lovely floored and shocked and surprised if S&P will find juice to blast through this level. Make sense? I'm adjusting my trail to 1686.25, as I know that bearish trend is vicious because price told me so. And as I spelled out earlier, more than likely it's going to be very weak bullish pullback and price will continue further down. That's how price moves. And if you know where these levels are, you know where to take profits off the table and you know what not to enter into. Everything you learn in the course, you learn how to respect these levels highly and where to monitor for reversal trades. This is my guiding light 1 hour. So, if S&P will blast through reversal zone, I'll be floored because chances of that happening are only about 10%. And this is picture perfect reminder. Don't take random speculative entries. Take precise, clear trades. And this is also picture perfect reminders we witnessed today. It don't matter to me if I trade 5, 8, 13 or hourly charts. Formula remains the same. And if you know where this level is, and if you're a position trader, you would know to take profits off your Apple monthly. That's how price moves time and time again. Don't matter what instrument, don't matter what time frame. And that's what you learn in the course. Those precise 4 rules for entry, stop, and target, and those very important Fibonacci levels. Will S&P find enough juice to blast through, or will it do exact same thing as our trade on oil 13 and 8 range had done, and the same thing as oil 1 hour had done, which oil continued its massive chop as we knew it would? Oil came to reversal zone on hourly and had been giving endless chop as buyers trying to step in, but they're not powerful enough. But yes, on range charts we had been buying. But because our range charts on oil had not been able to blast through reversal zone, we had been closing our profits as soon as price comes to reversal down, which is exactly what S&P is doing currently, right here, right now. So here this adorable trade on S&P. Here we are 5 points later. And again, the reason why we had taken this trade is because our guiding light 1 hour came to very, very important level once again. Decision point 1, the end of the minor trend. I'll be going into a larger time frame expansion at any moment. So here we are, 7 points later. Second lovely trade of the day on S&P. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's pretty impressive. I expected maybe 3-point bounce. 7? Lovely. Again, picture perfect reminder. Know where the end of the minor trend is. Most important level in the market structure. It's always present. Never, ever, ever, ever acquire position anywhere near this level. It's exactly where buyers stepped in first time overnight, a bit earlier, as we knew they would. To the tick, every time buyers pop in, we're like, okay, expect it. Know your levels. Simple, clean, and pure. So, I've gone into a larger wave expansion. I adjusted my trail very, very carefully, as I know if price will blast through this level, my trade will migrate into a larger time frame. But I also know it's going to be frankly total surprise. Mega surprise. And if it will happen, S&P will go all the way to 1879. Here's our cutie fruity 7-point trade on S&P. We are out. Do you know what? What is price showing currently? Price is showing, as we discussed earlier, collapse further down, down, down. But first, it will revisit decision point 1 once again. That's how price moves. The seller's picking up the steam. How interesting and how predictable. Know your levels. Cutie fruity S&P. Amazing Monday. Another 7-point trade. So let's buckle up. I may be taking short at any moment.